Take my hand and hold it tight.
Hello guys! Ano ba yan? Ang pangit ko. Nakapambahay effect today because today is gonna be a garden day or an orto day. Ang arte. Nasa garden kami at naglilinis ng garden. Dumi ng kuko ko. So, medyo mataas-taas na yung grass. Look! O, diba? Ang sipag. Blurred. Blurred, die. Blurred. He's cleaning the garden, cutting the grass. And me, I'm going to harvest some grapes. Ayan ang tanim naming grapes. There. Some tomatoes and plums. So, let's go! This is our orto, a small garden of vegetables and fruits. And then we have plums. And dami na nahulog because last time there was ice rain. Ayan. We will also harvest this and make a marmelata, a jam. Look guys. Sobrang tamis. Diba? And these are actually these are second batch of plants. And tomatoes or pomodori in Italian. And we planted one zucchini and ang sipag niyang mamunga. Actually, nakailang zucchini na kami. Zucchini, parsley. I have parsley, basil, sedano, celery, zucchini, eggplant. Look, eggplant. Violet eggplant. And then this is the last batch of salad because when it's full grown already, we will plant another tomatoes. Because we have 2 plants of strawberry because Antonio loves strawberries. Namumunga naman siya, in fairness, ng pailan-ilan. Yan. It's good to have, we planted these vegetables when lockdown was started here in Italy. So now we're harvesting already. So we also have onions. And then here, let's go here guys. Look. peaches. But they were damaged when there's an ice rain. I don't know if it's ice storm. The proper way to say that, the right term to say that. It was damaged last week because of the ice storm. See, peach. And then I'll show you, we also have one olive tree. One olive tree here. It's starting to go. Olives. So it's starting to bear olives too. Marami rin nalaglag nung nagkaroon ng ice storm. And also on the other side, I want to show you a tree of laurel here. I didn't know that this is the laurel tree until my husband explained to me. So dito na ako kumukuha ng laurel pag nag-aadobo ako. Diba? Ito pala ang laurel. No. Bango ng laurel. Diba? So, meron pa pala ako dito. I love this salvia. They call it salvia here in Italy. This one, salvia. So, when you fry meat, fish, you put this salvia. At ang sarap niya. I like the salvia when it is toasted. In the Philippines, if we have toasted kangkong, here they do a toasted salvia. Super sarap. I like salvia. And we also have rosemary. So most of our spices or vegetables nowadays from our garden or orto in Italy. Ayan, ang aking masipag na mister was doing the garden work.
Is this one?
No, a little big.
It's big? No, not yet.
This one? Not yet.
No. You can see this is not yet.
Ito na yung mga na-harvest namin. Tsaka pomodoro. Hiningal ako. Yan. So, meron kaming dessert tonight. We will eat grapes.
Yeah.
Madilim na. Tapusin na namin yung garden works namin. Have a good day. Have a good life. And God bless everyone. Bye!